Huh. So I got my Gossamer Gear Mariposa 60, and I like the bag, and I'm gonna show you, but they sent me the wrong size. So I ordered you can order them different. So I ordered a large belt, and because I have a wide waist, and then I ordered a small backpack. But they sent me, I put it on before I noticed this, but they sent me a large. So it's way too tall on me. So I got a hold of them, and they immediately sent me another one. So I'm getting ready to open mine in all the mail over there that's got to get opened. I'm getting ready to open that one, and hopefully that one's in the right size. And if it is, then we can load it up and see what it looks like. I hope that this doesn't count as a blade. Okay. So we're going to hope that this one is the right size. And, packing slip so that I can ship back the other one. Gossamer Gear took care of that, so I don't have to pay for my own shipping. They just sent me another shipping label right away, so that was very cool. And let's see. This looks about more right. The length of this is where you get with the small. I have a small torso, and so I needed a small size pack. And but you can really tell the difference. That's a major length difference. Look at that. Between the small and the large. But I think it's still 60 liters. It should still fit what it needs to on the inside. It's just the back, the part that braces the back should be smaller. So we're gonna see how it works. The pack itself has a lot of little rings and things, so that there's a lot of different places where you can hang stuff. I like to hang my water from my front straps with little clips, and then I put Velcro around them to keep them from flopping around and being annoying. And so I really like all the different places that I can clip stuff to here. The top has this cool little zip place, which is like the perfect place to put your Smoky Mountains permit or whatever. But I'm imagining that will get pretty tight when the bag is full and strapping it around. So I don't think anything really big or bulky can go in there. The bag has sort of a really big pocket on this side, so I'm thinking like, I don't know, tent poles is probably what will go in here. And there's this fantastic big pocket for drying things on the back that I like a lot. I know that I'll probably like throw my raincoat in there when it looks like it's going to rain on a given day or something like that. If I need to dry out a pair of socks or whatever, that's perfect. And then there's the two pockets here, one that's sort of fitted so that you can get your water in and out of it. And there is not anything to tie your, I don't know, tent or whatever to the bottom of the pack, and so that's a little bit of a bummer. I do use that, but on the other side, like one of the things I normally put down there is my sit pad, and this pack has the sit pad sort of fitted into the back. So this is removable. It comes out if you want to take it out, or you can leave it in there. I think I'm going to replace this piece of foam with my Z-pad because I think the Z-pad just might be a little bit more comfortable, but I'm not sure. This foam seems all right, but it seems also like it'll be kind of warm. There's nothing really interesting, I guess, about the inside of the pack. It does have sort of a place for you to put a hydration bladder, and that's pretty much it. Born in Austin, handmade in Vietnam. Huh. And this is the metallic backing to give it structure, but that can come out if you don't want that in there, if you want to save even more weight. The best thing about this is that it's really light. I can kind of flop it around with my pinky finger. That's how light it is. It feels like, I don't know, this is lighter than my normal backpack that I carry, you know, my day stuff in on an average day. So we're gonna load it up and see what it looks like. Compactor bag. First thing to go in, right in the center.